And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in the previous video I got some problems with using Firefox to execute some code. So today I downloaded, last time, and today it's the same day, but today I downloaded a sample database from this site right here. Thank you very much for the sample database. I will use it so much because it's really useful, and now I can use it here. If you have SQL installed on your computer and you can actually use Chrome or Chromium, or you can't, then you can do this. Do the same as I do. Just download this. I unfortunately can't use Chrome, Chromium, or Opera, so I have to stick with my browser, unfortunately. But we can just close this, and then we can start working here. Now, we all know that the basic model of creating a database is basically select, and then column that you want, or everything or whatnot, or maybe even a column 2, and then you say from, and then the table name. Now we all know this is the basic one, so like select customers from or select customer name from customers, but now we actually have a where clause. Now this where basically is also like a kind of filter, like distinct, but it's more specified. It doesn't just remove duplicates. For example, it can return duplicates as well. So we can say, and then a condition. And this is basically how it goes. Just remember, you actually do need this at the end. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but you do need a semicolon. But anyways, so this is basically just like a condition. So select customer name from table customers, where the customer name is Maggie, for example. So let's actually quickly select star from customers, I think. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna go /g because it's too big. Alright, so here they list down all of the customers and stuff like that. And let's actually use this. So let's say I want only the ones where, do they have a country? Yeah, country, here's Russia. Let's say I only want the people that live in Russia. So then I can say select star from customers, where, I'm just gonna go lowercase here, or let's go where, and we can do something like country is equal to, and let's say something like in the single quotation marks, just take that as a note, and we can go like Russia. And I believe that capitalization and stuff like that is important right now, because if you're going to give it a lowercase r, then it's not going to be Russia, it's going to be lowercase Russia. But anyways, you go do that, and here there's only one person that lives in Russia. Wow, okay. Let's see. A place where more than one person will live. There's Germany. Yeah, let's go USA. Okay, I didn't expect that there would be only one person, so let's go USA instead. USA. As you can see, there are 35 people that lives in the USA. All of these people. So this is the same as the normal table. I just display differently since it can't fit on my screen. It's too big. But yeah, so this is everyone who lives in the USA. So we just said select star from the table customers, select everything from the table customers, where the country is USA. So let's say we only wanted to know who lives in this country. So then we can go customer name. And now it will only, now I don't even think we need /g, we can just go put a semicolon there. And now it will return the customer names that lives here. And as you can see, these seems like shops. So these aren't actual customers. But anyways, So yeah, and that's basically where does it gives you it makes you able to use to narrow things down. So let's even say we want the person with the customer number of 1. So their primary key should be 1. So customer number is equal to 1. This doesn't have to be in a quotation mark because it's a number. I've got my. Then unfortunately it seems there is no one with that number. So this must have been modified later on. So let's go something like 400 maybe. No one in 400. Let's go 300. No one at 300. What about 430? Anyone there? Okay, let's quickly select everyone again, because I can't seem to find everyone specifically. And there we go. 496. There's someone in 496. So let's say we wanted to select this guy or this person or this company or whatever specifically. So then we can go and we can say customer number, and we can make it 496. And there, now it only returns that. Let's actually clear the screen. It only returns this one because this is the only customer with this primary key right here. You can maybe search for the name or the phone number or the address, the city, anything like that, and you can narrow it down. And then we have a bunch of extra operators we can use with this. So this is just an equal. So this is if it is this. So if the customer number is 496. So let's say if the customer number is more than, let's actually add some space here, more than 300, 400, yeah, no 400. Then it's going to return everyone with a customer number higher than 400. So let's see. Here we go. So it starts at 406, and then it just moves up and counts by, it seems almost free. No, they made a huge term. So yeah, there's all the people with that. We can even maybe go the credit limit. So let's say if they have a credit limit, here we can go credit limit more than, and let's say credit limit more than 1. How much is that? That's 100. Let's go more than 100,000. And then we will return to 25 people, it seems, that has a credit limit more than that. Now, just take note, I'm not using the same database you're using if you're using MySQL. So you can just apply this knowledge to those databases on your own, because I'm not using those anymore. And of course, we have a less than. So everyone with less than, let's say, 10,000. There are 24 people with a credit limit less than 10,000. There's actually people with 0. That seems to be like most people. Okay, let's maybe go and make 100,000. Okay, 97 this person has. Yeah, so interesting. And then we have the greater than or equal to. So let's go greater or equal to, and we all know this just returns 100,000 and more, where greater than just returned 100,001 and more. So this would basically return everything with that, whilst this would return this and more. So yeah. And then we have our smaller than and equal to. And then we have our not equal to. So let's say, let's actually choose something else now. Okay, so select star from customers, where, let's see, country is not equal to, and let's say USA. Now, only the people that does not live in the USA will be shown here. So all of the people that do live in the USA, they will not be here. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all in the next video.